morning, welcome to Cadbury World. This is located just outside or just in Birmingham. Never been before. It's they have a couple of track rides, and hopefully we get lots of chocolate. So if you're ready,
let's go.
So as you come out, they've got this like nice little I don't know what is a vehicle, some branded on, and then they got some little kiddie rides there. But you want to go on them, don't you?
No.
Yeah, you do.
No.
And then we'll head up towards the entrance, which is over here.
At an exit.
Entrance right next to the ice cream truck. So let's go in, see what they have.
Oh, thank you.
So we've entered, what's this below? The Aztec area. So what did you say below?
I said...
So it was where they made the coffee beans or something. Yes, they have a big snake there. There are lots of money.
Can you see this?
Yeah, I can see, yeah.
I loaded my galleons with cocoa beans.
That's the mirror face, like Emily's house, isn't it, with the camera in the mirror. Camera's up there shining on that.
Not without this. English
And
attacking a capture.
So we're going to take a look at outside. Well, what is there?
There's a park.
Yes, there's a park. I can see a 4D cinema there as well.
Ooh.
That was good. So what have you just had? We just had a couple of rooms where it tells you how to
Make chocolate.
make the chocolate, yeah. And then,
I showed them making chocolate and I thought we was allowed to eat it, but no.
yeah, so what's next? What room's next?
Tasting chocolate.
Tasting room, you ready?
Let's go.
The chocolate tasting, so you get a base, and you can choose either Jelly Babies, Ginger, Oreo, Mini Marshmallows, right, chocolates. Which one are you going to have on yours?
Is the ladies getting it? Which ladies getting some chocolate?
Mini Marshmallows and chocolate.
Yeah, come on then.
So that will look what you got. So what have you got on it?
Marshmallows.
So it's chocolate base with marshmallows and chocolate. Is it good? Good.
Daddy.
So they got Humpty Dumpty. So next we're heading to the what ride is it? Quest something. Not sure what it is. Chocolate Quest. So we just come out, so we went in. So what was it like? So they showed you how to make chocolate.
Yes.
First you got a bar of chocolate.
Yes.
How to make chocolate. Then they give you a little pot with
Melted chocolate.
and marshmallows, and then we went on to the was it Chocolate Quest?
It's a Freddo chocolate quest.
Yeah, so basically it's a shooting game where you have to get the cocoa beans and the milk to make the chocolate. I think what did we get? 700 and odd?
No, 796.
796. So we're gonna head towards I think it's like a play park and the 4D cinema down here. So let's have a look what's down here. So yeah, we've got it here. So the Bourneville chocolate experience, African adventure play area. Yeah, let's go and have a look.
Have a go at making your own chocolate as well.
Do you think you get to eat it?
No.
So we've entered the Bourneville, is it Bourneville experience where you make your own chocolate? It's got some old stuff here. Good, that well done. Scoop it as well now. What have we just done there, Willow?
We like
So you wrote your name, didn't you, in chocolate?
and then you like learn how to scoop it up.
Scoop. Is it fun?
Yeah.
So you've done that. We'll go on the park later then. I think we're going to go in the 4D cinema now. See what that's like. Like a bit of 4D cinema, don't we? So we'll go on. We can't tell you on, but we'll let you know how it goes. So we've just done the 4D cinema. So what was it, Willow?
So basically you went into Cadbury World and there was this roller coaster thing and the sheets moved, no water, no snow, no bubbles.
No, but there was good wind and effect with lights and stuff.
Yes.
It was very good. And then there was a silly parrot waiting and that stopped on the brakes.
Yes.
So next what you're going to do now, you're going to jump on the park now, aren't you? Yeah, we've done that. So that brings the end of a day at Cadbury World. It's a nice little day out. So they have like the shooting track ride, they have the 4D cinema, the park, some sort of like museums where you can make chocolate, and most importantly they give away chocolate as well. I think you got like 3 dairy milks, was it?
Yes.
3 or 4 dairy milks, yeah. So what was your best thing of the day?
Getting chocolate.
Getting chocolate, yeah. Getting chocolate and making chocolate, yeah. Yeah, so it's a good day out, advised to come. Yeah. So, yeah, good. And we'll see you on the next one.
Video.
Bye.
Bye.